Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called a Clover one. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, payload escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So you just type here as a sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here as net discover minus f is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine, so I just quit now. I just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan, enter our targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So it will take a little bit some time. So let's wait for this. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with the FTP. It was an anonymous login, and another one is available with SSH. Another one is available with the port 80, and there is available also with 443, that is with the HTTPS. Another one is available with the 8080. So first we would like to walk to the FTP server. We just type FTP, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.156. Enter with the default credentials, anonymous. So we have login successfully. List minus L. You just type cd maintenance. Now just type list minus L. So you just type here as get a locally.txt, and you just type get a test.txt. You just type get test2.txt. That's it. So there is nothing else apart from this. So you just type here as exit. That was done. You just type clear. Now just type list here. You just type here as locally.txt. There is something, it was written, but what is this we forgot to say. Now we just type here as a cat a test.txt. Okay, cat a test2.txt. We are under a test. Please delete the FTP anonymous login. Okay, uh, that does not matter. Now we would like to walk to our targeted IP address. We just enter our targeted IP address. So it was an okay, that's it, nothing else apart from this. So just entirely just copy. We would like to try here as directory buster, then let it paste it. So in the directory buster, so what else we can get it from here? So let's wait from here. So I have got one is with the robots.txt. That's it. So I just quit here. There is all that and non-useful. So we just open with the robots.txt. There I have found as admin root and webmaster and PHP my admin. So we just need to copy this one. We just open here. So I just paste it here for a reference. So we just need to walk to as a admin. We just try here as a admin. It not found. Okay, now we would like to try to here as web. Another one is a webmaster. Now we would like to walk to here as webmaster. It not found. Now another one target is a root. So in this a root not found. So the directory buster which not give a right format results for us. So I would like to utilize the go buster. I would like to enter my targeted IP address 192.168.18.156. So I would like to specify a user share word list. Then you just type here as directory buster. Then you just type here as a directory list 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. Now we would like to look here JavaScript. So I have got another useful thing here as a website. Now we would like to walk to here So in this website, here we can see has something as a sheet template. Let it load this one first. So it was a sheet template, but uh, we don't know anything else about this. Are you ready to launch? Okay, that's great. Now we would like to try here as a view pesos. In this pesos, we not yet get any useful information. We are under construction of CMS foundations. This form would not actually do anything that sites up to you. Now what we would like to do here is Favicon. So we noted found here. We would like to look here. Same as cold fusion. So we know this, like we just need to copy this, just copy, come back here. So I would like to pick this, I don't say. So now I would like to search plot. I would like to search with a CMS cold fusion. We would like to look here, exploits more result. Now I would like to search here in exploit DB. CMS made for simple, we would like to look here. So we need to look any one of the targeted exploits first. It's an remote code execution, CMS SS admin and password. Okay. But our thing here is cold fusion. So how we would like to identify here as a cold fusion? So here, which was given as something CMS made simple authenticated for remote code execution, where you get so we just copy this one, try to visit here, come back here, you just type here as website, then you just try here CMS MS, so it's not work out. So again, you just entirely just copy this one, otherwise come back here. So I just quit this. Now we would like to come back here. So we try here as again a website, then we just try here images, script and styles, a license. So I hope we can get it from a license something and useful. We would like to come back here. I just paste it here as a license. So permission is hereby granted to the a copyright by software including, but here also we not get any useful informations without warranty or any. So but here also we not get any useful information. So we would like to look as a normal way. So this and all not going to be work out. Now we just need to copy this one. Uh, just open CMS Cold Fusion login URL. That's it only we just require. So where you can see here CFIDE and administrator. So we would like to go to here, come back here. Uh, where is this? Let me open here. So here only. So we would like to try here as CFID IDE. I just enter. So where I have targeted CFID, it's not getting here. Because why I need to get an error here, because I need to delete this a website, then I can get it here. So where you can see here, you can get it. So here, which was described very clearly, HTTP is server name, so don't mention your port and don't mention any type of targeted thing. So there is an administrator and index.html. So we just click on this administrator. So where we come here now, let me just try here. Uh, this one we just came to here. So as an administrator, so we just entirely just copy this one. Now let's go back. So you just entirely just quit here, you just type clear, now you just type come back here. So I just need to delete entirely here. So I just paste it here. Now we would like to look here. We are finding like a something like, so I would like to quit here. So I would need to specify to get a PHP, then .txt, then .html. That's it. I would like to get an everything here a login.php where we have available, then where we can get it here as a welcome.php assets css. So where which was presented here, it directly will be there. So from administrator to we try here as a login.php, login.aphp. So where we have found here a username and password. So a default usernames and password. We just try here as uh, like I just try here as a admin and password. Then try to log in. Wrong username and password. So then we would like to use a simple SQLi payload to log in. So then we just try here as using an bob suit. We just try here as an bob suit. So let it launch this bob suit. Then we would like to go further. Now let's go back. Yeah. So let it come. So let me start the bob suit. Yeah. So now come to a proxy. Now we just try here to log in as now. I just need to utilize here as something as administrator, then just type here as plus 1 equal to 1 plus so I would like to put a somewhat a payload, then I just put here as a pass. Then you just come back here, you just put an interception is up. Now I just put here is something like is boxwood is up, then that's it. Now try to log in here. Where you have got here is something I just try here as a send to a repeater. In the repeater tab, we just try to send this a wrong username or password. Okay, so we just try here as something administrator. We would like to put here plus 0 up plus 1 equal to 1. Then you just type plus. Now try to send. So it shows even a failed a credential. So now what we would like to do here is, so I just entirely just copy. Now I just come back here. So let me, I just type here as a clear, we just type here as nano, we just type a SQL, we just let me just press it here. So just type Control O, Control X. Now let me, I just type here as a SQLmap minus R, then we just type here as a SQL minus dbs minus batch. So I would like to present a risk equal to a 3, and we just type here as a level equal to 5. That's it. We would like to look here. Might be an injectable this one. So we try here to go and get injectable this one. Then let's see. So where I have got it everything here. So where it was printing all the information, so like Clover and MySQL. So I would like to utilize the database as Clover. So I would like to go here as in the database as a Clover. There I would like to present the tables, print the tables. That's it. Now we would like to look here. That was only a users. Then now I would like to go to here as in this. So I would like to print only the tables as I selected the users. Then I just print the uh, columns. Let's see. Retrieve ID init username and password. So in this I would like to print the passwords. So I would like to get like columns. So I would like to print the columns of ID, password, then username, dump all. So I would like to utilize to dump all the information. Let's see here. So it was retrieving all the informations. So let it be retrieve first, then we would like to go further. So it may take a little bit time to go here. Then we would like to go further. So it may take a more little bit time here. So for that we have this. Let we would like to conclude this one. Let we would like to come back here. So where we have a S set. So we try using as one of the one. So let we would like to wait 2 to 3 seconds here. Then we would like to go further. Then once we have cracked this one, then we can utilize some other things. So let me like to try this. So it will go from A to Z. Then let's see what else it's going to be a crack, the right one or not. So we have found only three entries. One is with Bushdo, one is Asta, then another one is Z. That's it. Apart from here, we not get anything else. So let we would like to try here. So we are at the ending. So before it was going for an ending, so I just close this. So it may not require again. So I just close this website. Then let me. I would like to go back here. So I just disable this one. Now let's come back here. Now let me. I would like to utilize. I try to get as link this as GitHub. So let me get this as GitHub. Now go to here. So it may take a little bit time to come. Then here either we are going to be it may be a cracking of some users or passwords. Let's see. Yeah, we just came in the right direction. So let's wait for until this. So we just try here as a SH. Then let we would like to wait as this one until we can get it here. Then we try. So that's great. So we just try here as a Astra. We just copy this one, paste it, enter our target. IP address 192.168.18.156. That's great. We just type yes. Then copy the password of this Astra. Just copy. Come back here. Let me paste it. I think we have login here. So if not, I login here. So it may not log in. Maybe it may be have a MD5 hash. So we just try here. So we just try here as a crack station. Now you just type here as uh, hash identifier. So let me I just paste this hash. So it may be an AMD5 hash. So we just don't need to worry. So you just go to an crack station. So we just need to enter the right password. That's it. So we just paste it here. Then let it be. We can clear this. A reCAPTCHA. So we just try here as bicycles. Now click on next. So it may take for verification too long. This one. This may be a disgusting sometimes with this Google. Traffic lights. So let me, I just refresh this. So that was done. So we not yet found the password. So how we can crack this? So we just try here as MD5 decode. So how we would like to decrypt this? Decrypt. So this is an MD5 hash. So let me paste this. What can I can get here? The password. So let's wait for this. Then we would like to try here. Could not be decrypted. The settings you need to add a character of the steps. So we would like to go back here. MD5 decrypt online. We just try. So we just utilize this. So sometimes may not give a right password or to enter into the SH. So enter your MD5 hash, then let it be like to look here. So it may not even load. So I try with a normal way. So let me, I just quit this. So I just type here as a clear. So you just type here as a Astra. Now I just need to enter here as a normal way. So we can try as a Astra. We specify 123 dollars. Then you just type as a Astra dollars 123. So we would like to utilize as one or two this one. So just copy this one. Let me paste it. So we have successfully logged in here. So while it will going a too long lengthy time process, so we cannot able to get that one. Now let me would like to try here as a ID. We have got it here as Astra. So just write here as which Python you got it. Sorry, not get. So just type pwd. We got it here. So list minus l. So just type here as cat a local.txt where we found this Astra PWM. That's great. Now if you would like to find something else from here, so I would like to go to an attempt directory. Now I would like to run this a linkbase, so we try this MD5 not going to be worked out. So I just try entirely this a linkbase, so just copy this one. Let me come back here. So let me paste it. Permission is denied. Why? Uh, uh, Permission is denied. Okay, if permission is denied, let me. I just entirely just copy from here. Just copy, come back here. So I just type here as wget, then let it paste it. Then where we can get this, so you just type here as a which. So you just type list. Now let me. I would like to put here is Python minus m http dot server. Now let me just go here as wget http enter your target IP address 192.168.18.151 just write here as libviz.sh. So permission is denied. So how we would like to utilize here to get a linked piece. So to utilize as linked piece, so we cannot able to utilize here as a linked piece. So that was a mistake. Now just type here as cd for ls minus l. So we have a sword also. We just type here as cd a sword. Permission is denied. That's great. So we have identified one one more username. So that need to get a into the sword. So to get a sword, so just type here as cat etc password. So where we have seen here a sword. That's great. We not get any useful information from apart from this. So just type here as cat etc. We just type here as a issue. It's also a same a little bit the same thing. I just type here as a uname minus a Linux Clover 3.16.1. Then where we would like to get here. Now we not yet get that one any useful information. So we try utilize it here. So let me. I just type here as clear. Just type here as find minus brm u equal to s minus type f2 is greater than wave or null. Where we would like to try here. So PKX, so we can utilize this exploit to go, but it's not the right way to go right now. So we would like to, we need to go first as a swap. We would like to come to a CD where we would like to enumerate all here, list minus L. So where this is available with an backups. So where we can see here as cd a backups. Now just type plus minus l. Now here we have go to a reminder. So just copy this. So just type a cd a reminder. I just type plus minus l. I just type it as get password dot swap. So where I have found here as a password. That's great. So just a little bit copy this one. Now let's come back here. Uh, so let me paste it a password. That's great. Now just come back here. So just quit this. So now let's open new tab. Now here we just need to utilize a crunch. Then 12 to 12 minus t. Then you just put this a password. I just put 4 times because he was mentioned here. I have forgotten the last 4 numerical digits. Okay, so I just put a at the rate. Output as password.txt. So let it be generate here. Now that was great. Now just type here as a hydra minus l for a sword. Password is password.txt. Then let me would like to utilize a ssh. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.156. Then I put minus t for 30. Workforce. Then let we try here as early as possible. Let we try here. Let it be crack the password. So I don't like to go here like this, so I just quit this. So let me I just type clear. So I don't need to put a purpose, so I just put here as 1200 1 to 64. Now let me just try here. Otherwise, let me I just type here as a list. Where is this hydra restore? Let me remove this. Just type here. Now try here with this. So uh, we are going to be get the password is. Now let me just look this. We try again here. Workout list pass.txt. So it have almost uh, 500,000 passwords we have generated at all. So it may take a long lengthy time process to come. I hope so. So we would like to open new tab. We just type there as mousepad password.txt. So it may got a long lengthy time process this one. So it may take a long lengthy time process to crack this password also. So uh, now let me try here. So it may take more than 10 hours to crack entire of this password. So we don't need to try with this. We would like to try as what we have. We just need to find the last 2 digits. Is like we just put like 4286. So this is the right password. To crack this password, it will take a long lengthy time process. So I just copy this one. Now we just need to switch to an word. So you just come back here. So I don't want to continue a too much long lengthy time process to crack this. So we just type here as cd home. We just type here as clear su sword. Now let me paste it. I have successfully logged in here. Now just type here as a file /minus prm. minus u equal to s, f 2 is greater than dev r. Now, so I just need not add put here as minus type. So now where I have got this. So now I have got here as a daemon.sh. So let me copy this. Let me come back here. So let me just copy this. So now we just write here as cd is word. I just write plus minus air. There is cat local 2.txt where I have got the sword. That's great. Now we try here as cd user. So what is this? Come back here. Let me just copy. Now just come back here to just write cat. Let me paste it. So this was in the Linux, so you just don't need to disturb that one. Now just write here as cd. Just paste it. We just try until a clover. I just write plus minus l. Now just type here as a daemon. So to execute this a daemon, so we just try here as ls minus. So we don't need to try this. So just type here as daemon.sh. It asks to execute. This was os.execute. I just put here as a bin bash to get a root access. That's it. I have successfully got a uh, bash here. Now just type here as a cd, a root, a permission. So just type here as bash minus p. So it not come even at all. Why? We have entered the right thing only, but we not get executed this one. Now, where is the mistake we have done here? So there is no anything is mistake over there. Now we need to look here as we have not yet made anywhere as a mistake. We just try this one. So let me. We would like to execute again as deamon.sh. Now here where I have got this. So we just type here as os.execute. Then we just try here as bin bash. Just type id. We are in the SWAT. So just type bash minus p. That's great. So it's not even getting the root access. So we would like to utilize this one. So let me come back here. We just type here as daemon.sh. Then I just put here as a execute os.execute. So let me just try here as something. So let me, we just put here as os.execute. Then we just put here as a bin bash. That's it. We just entirely just copy. Now I just paste it here. That's it. We just type id. So even we are not getting here as a root access. So uh, we have made a something mistake here to get a root access this one. So without this one, so I just try bash minus p. Now we just try here as a daemon.sh. Now you just try here as os dot execute. We just try here as bin or sh. Oh, exit quit. We just try clear plus minus here. Uh, daemon.sh. We just type os dot execute bin sh. That's it. You just type id. So even we are not getting here. So how we would like to go here? Even it will come in the bounds. We not to get a root access. So how we would like to go here is, say just type a cd, a root, then you just type here as list. Here we are getting now. You just type here as cat a proof.txt where we have successfully completed here. That's it. So you try it around guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.